Welcome to First Time Casting Adventures channel. Please subscribe for more videos.
I got backlash fishermen on the phone with me, guys. Been holding a conversation with him for the last 30 minutes. But I had my GoPros off at 20. But guess what, guys? I just got on my 6-1. I'm gonna put him on the scale because we was doing the 5 bass limit, so I'm gonna get rid of some of the small ones. Add the bigger ones, guys. Yeah, man, I wish you was out here with me, with us. Yeah, I know, right? I tell you what, man, they're firing up out here, man. Don't take long to catch them. All right, guys, number 6, still counting. Let's get her back in the water and let's see if we can get on something else. All right. All right. Number 7. Let's go. Today's a good day, guys. Let's get them back in the water. I bet the other pond back there, I bet you can't even fish it. So much grass in it. Grass in it. That joker eased right at the boat and got it. Number 8. Number 8, guys. Let's get them back in the water. Thanks, buddy. You see that bait right down there swimming. As clear as this water is. That's amazing. Come on out of there. He slung all that stuff right off. Nice one. Boy, I felt him when he hit that. That was definitely a hook set. Woo. 9, guys. One more, I'll be double my limit. Let's get him back in the water. Thanks, buddy. Patrick. Patrick, it's hundreds of bass over here. I got my 10. I got my 10. Recording? Yes, sir. All right. Let's get this bass, beautiful bass, back in the water. All right, guys. Got on one more. Let's get them back in the water. Thanks, buddy. I appreciate your visit.